now. You had some people on comment section want to see my new purchase. It's a 2008 C6 Coupe. It was involved in a slight accident. The front fascia was taken off. The hood had hoof marks on it from the deer. It was struck. I went online. You can put in VIN numbers and you can possibly find the auction that it was sold at, because they considered it totaled for whatever reason. The bank. I think it was a really good buy. Got paid $21,500 for it. It's a little over 49,000 miles. As you can see, the back's pretty nice. Yeah, it has a prong broke off for the top, but I probably will never take it off. That's the hatch area. You can see it has the exhaust option on it. And of course, I've pulled the vacuum lines off of the flaps, the flap actuators for it. And sounds nice all the time. It's not a big block like my first car I ever bought when I was 19 in '76. I bought a '65 Coupe. It was customized, 396 added to it instead of the 327 that was in it. The interior is in really nice shape. It doesn't look like the passenger seat was sat in much. Yeah, it's an automatic. I didn't really want an automatic, but it is what it is. At least it's got the paddle shift, so it can sound like I'm shifting. And the driver's seat's been sat in more, but it's still in good shape. There's everything you can see. It's a basic model. There's no cruise, no nav. Who needs that stuff anyways? I don't need it. I just needed a driver. I didn't need an investment opportunity. I just wanted a driver. Under the hood, it's all nice and clean. Everything's just really excellent condition. I guess it was meant for me. Now we can give it a start up here. Straight and true, there's no wobbling on any of them. Hopefully the harmonic balancer is done properly. Time will tell. Time will tell. Anyways, I'm not a professional guy when it comes to videos, so just have to take it for what it's worth. Y'all have a great day. Hope you find one as nice as I found and you're as happy with it. We'll see as time goes on. If something different comes up and it has issues, I will update the video. Everybody have a great day now.